Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial today. I'm gonna start with my foundation. Here we go. Just gonna go in with a brush today because I lost my beauty blender. But yes, I am just using the Rimmel London Matte Perfection foundation today. I really like this one, it goes on so smooth and dries matte really nicely. And sorry, I was watching my show while doing this, so sorry if you see me looking to side quite a bit. But yeah, now I'm going to go in with concealer. This is the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. And yeah, I just thought I'd go basic today, and I'm just doing this under my eyes and almost in like an upside down Illuminati shape. Yep. And also I just put a little bit on my nose here and above my eyebrows just to give it like a snatched look. And I put a bit on my lips. I don't know why, I wanted to. And just a little bit on my forehead to highlight those places. And as I said, I lost my beauty blender, so I went in with a different brush here. So if you see me putting my mirror up above my head a lot, it was better lighting up there, but yeah, as you see. So just blending that in. And now I kind of just went in with after this I just going with a bit of a setting powder. It's just a cheap one you pretty much get from any drugstore, but I love to use it because it works for my skin. And any powder that works for you should use. I just set my face with this. Okay, next here when I did my eyebrows, which I could not get in frame. I am so sorry. I did not get them in frame. I tried my hardest and I couldn't get them in frame. That's as close as I got them in frame. It's hard to do your eyebrows on camera, y'all. You should try it. So yeah, I was just starting at the bottom of my eyebrow and bringing it upwards and creating the shape and then filling them in. And I cleaned this up with the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, as you see right here. Winkety winkly. I just cleaned this up with the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. Yeah. Just to make the shape and any mistakes better. Yep, okay, that's done now. Look how nice my eyebrows look. Okay, now I'm going in with a fan brush and the LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder Bronzer. I really like this one, it just glides on so smoothly. And I just grabbed it a little bit. You're gonna be, actually I didn't grab a little bit. I went pretty hard on it, just tapped it off and just went nicely there. So just on the cheekbone. Sorry about the readjusting camera angles and things. So yeah, I just did that and a little bit above my forehead later. But yeah, now I'm going in with the Kylie highlighter in the shade Banana Split. I really like this one. I think it suits my skin tone quite nicely. And I just put this one on the high points of my cheekbones and on my nose. I didn't feel like highlighting my brow bone today. And if you didn't really get that full effect, I mean on your nose, just use your finger. Now I'm going with a bit of liquid latex and a cotton bud. And I'm just adding that to my face. And I'm putting quite a decent amount of liquid latex to keep it on. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to go in with a bit of that same foundation. And I'm going to blend it in with my foundation I have on already. As you see, just blending it in. And I find it makes it look more like skin tone. And then I filled it with a bit of a darker eyeshadow, which I had to go grab. I am so sorry. But yeah, I had to go grab that. So this is in the Kat Von D palette. I just grabbed it and I just applied it there to make it look a bit wounded and bruised. Sorry, my camera was not in focus. Why did I not notice? Then I'm just going with a bit of a red lipstick because it was the only thing I felt like using just then. So I put a bit of red lippy on my cheek and peeled the cotton bud, round, whatever you want to call it, off just a little bit to make it look like my skin was tearing. Bring that red lippy down to my cheek and lip. And that's the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!